guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'm really excited to try this unit out. I think I say that in every single video because I just am always excited to try new wigs. But I want to say thank you to Outre for sending me today's unit. I am trying, I knew I was going to have it upside down. I'm trying their Outre Perfect Hairline unit. It's one of their new styles in the, I have it in JENISSE, I think is how you pronounce it. And then I have it in the color DR Chocolate Cream. So if you guys are interested in seeing me install it and hearing what I think about it, then continue to watch. Before I jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on my socials. They're right here on the screen and they're in my description box as well. Can I also mention the fact that I really love this packaging? Like, all their Perfect Hairline units come in that really like secure packaging of a box. I just love it so much. Alright guys, so here is the unit coming straight out of the packaging. I thought this color was going to be a little bit darker, not gonna lie. I really thought she was going to be darker, but I really like this color. It has kind of like ash color to it. And then here is the hairline of this unit. Hopefully she's gonna melt right into the skin like it says. And then we have two combs right here in the front. They're on the sides of the unit. And then we have a comb in the back with some adjustable straps. And then it also has a little elastic band in here for a little extra security. I already like how this looks. This looks so freaking cute. Y'all already like how this looks, and it's just sitting on my head. I ain't even done anything to it. I just love when it flows like this, when it has so much body. Like, that gives me a certain bit of excitement. So, okay, let's see what we gonna do here. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna just take a spray in this situation and just secure it that way. I'm not going to use any glue or anything. I'm going to use I've been loving these two securing my synthetic wigs lately, so I think I'm going to use, we're going to go with the bed head spray today. I'm going to use this one because I haven't used it in a few days. It needs a little bit of love. So putting the unit on, I already see that it does have a nicely plucked hairline. However, I do feel like these knots might be just a little bit dark, and I feel like the lace is probably going to appear a little bit light as well once I actually glue this wig down. I'm pretty sure once I cut it off, I'm probably going to have a little bit of a cast there. Okay, so I'm going to try a method of melting the lace without adding any powder. So what I'm going to do is give my hairline a fresh spray so it'll be a little moist, and then I'm going to wrap my satin wrap cap around it to see if that will mold it in and melt it in, where I don't have to use as much powder to get the lace blended into my skin. So sometimes that process can be a hit or miss. It just depends. And with this one, the lace is still appearing a little bit light. And that could also have to do with the spray that I used as well. So in this case, I am going to go in with my powder a little bit to kind of try and, you know, get rid of this white cast that you see. So the stock card shows 3 different styles, one with the middle part, one with the side part, and then a braided top. So in this case, I'm going to attempt to try all 3. I know for sure I'm going to do the center and the side part, and then we'll see how I feel about the braided, because your girl can't braid that well. Since I can't braid that well, I might have to do like some twists maybe. We'll see. Let's just see what we come up with. Okay, so I was able to show you guys 3 different looks. I did you I did one with the middle part, one with the side part, and then this cute little pigtail look. I attempted that twisted slash braid look, but your girl already can't braid, and then I was gonna try and twist, but the claws were like, no ma'am. So I was like, let's try and at least jazz it up a little bit, and I did the two pigtails. So y'all let me know how you feel about this style. I think it's really cute and really fun, but yeah, I really like it. So let's get into the details of JENISSE, shall we? So like I said earlier, I do have it in the style JENISSE, and then I have it in the color DR Chocolate Cream. So the color, I was thinking it was going to be like a dark chocolate brown because I saw chocolate in the name. However, it is a little bit more creamy. It is a little bit more highlighted and ashed, but I like it nonetheless. This is a really cute color for the fall season. I would love to wear this with a good mustard, or a burgundy or black or a brown nude color would be really ideal with this hair color. Let's get into the nitty-gritty though, shall we? Okay, let's start off with the cons first. I have one major con that I noticed a lot with it, and that is the shedding. Okay, so I know that I did do quite a bit of styles that would cause, or that cause for the need of me needing to comb it, part it, all that stuff. Just a lot of my hands and tools running through it. So I got a lot of shedding feedback from this unit, which I'm kind of upset about considering the fact that the unit is shorter. Usually with longer units you get a little bit more shedding, but this one was shedding just a tad bit too much for me. But being able to style it like I can made up for that. So that's really like the only major con I paid attention to, but the pros definitely outweigh the cons. Those are the only two cons I have about it. Pros being that how much I can style it. I love the fact, I love when I have an affordable unit and then I can style it as much or however I would like. So it already claims to have the three styles of just like middle part, side part, and the braid back top look. However, look at this, I was able to add two ponytails here, and you could probably even do like a half up half down do with this unit as well. So you get so many styles out of such an affordable unit. I love the color options that it offers as well. The hair texture is really soft. It's not too silky like it's super shiny or like baby doll hair. It does have a little bit of texture to it, making it kind of dim down from how silky it could be. It takes heat really well as well. I used my hot comb. I used it on about a 10 level. It does say that it can go up to 400 degrees if you do use any styling tools on it. And I also used my flat iron as well, and it was on, it's actually on 450, but luckily it didn't burn my hair out, which is great. I was really concerned that I was about to get like the necklace look, like where it starts like, you know, curling under your neck, but luckily it wasn't like that too bad. And I also went over it with the flat iron, like I said, just to straighten it out a bit. This one is pretty full. I think she's about, this might be like a 12-inch unit, you guys. I think that's how far it falls. But that's really all I have to say about it. It's big head friendly. I didn't do the adjustable straps, but I have a lot of space back here. It's really flexible with its moving. I should also touch on the lace. I did try to melt it in a little bit even with my satin wrap cap, just to see if it would melt into my skin a little bit more, but it was still a bit light. I did have to go in with my powder quite a few times to just try and blend it in. And then I think you can also see that it might even still be appearing a little light on camera. I'm not really sure, but in person, looking in my mirror, it looks blended into my skin. Like I can't really detect the lace in my mirror, but I'm not really sure how that's coming off on camera. Considering my lights, sometimes it can make a different effect of what you see in person. So yeah, and then it does also comes with baby hairs as well. I didn't really stick my baby hairs down. Once I put it up in this style, I kind of just brushed out the edges to see what would appear, and that's exactly what I got here. So like as you see, it doesn't have any product on it. I just kind of brushed it back, and it's really just staying on its own. So I think that's really good. It gives me like a really natural trip to the salon type style, because that's how my edges would do if I went to the hair salon. They wouldn't be so stuck with like a product. They kind of just, you know, free on their own, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so if I didn't answer any questions for you guys, leave them in my comment section below and I'll answer it for you. But I kind of think I touched on everything. I'm trying to think. And I think this unit runs for like $37.99. That might be wrong. If it's wrong, I'll put it right here on the screen, and I'll put some links below as well where you can get this unit from also. I want to say thank you to Outre for sending me today's unit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, like I always say, leave them in my comment section below. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.